In 1888, a woman crept out of her home before sunrise, not to elope, not to escape, but to change history. Without permission, without publicity, and without a proper road in sight. She wasn't an engineer. She wasn't even allowed to vote. But she was about to become the first person in history to drive an automobile over a long distance. Her name was Bertha Benz. And what she did was strange, but true. Her husband, Carl Benz, had just invented what he called the motor wagon, a three-wheeled, petrol-powered contraption that the world wasn't quite ready for. He was brilliant, but doubtful. Afraid the public wouldn't accept his machine, that it was too risky, too experimental. Bertha? She had other plans. One early morning, without telling Carl, Bertha took their 2 teenage sons and stole the car. Destination, her mother's house. Distance, over 100 kilometers. No map, no fuel stations, no roads made for cars, no GPS, no mechanic, and no guarantee the car would make it. Along the way, Bertha had to invent solutions. When a fuel line clogged, she cleared it with a hairpin. When a wire shorted, she used her hat pin to fix it. She bought more petrol at a chemist's shop, the world's first fuel station, by accident. When the brakes wore down, she had a cobbler fit them with leather, inventing the first brake lining. After 12 long hours, she arrived, covered in dust, greeted by astonished villagers. And just like that, Bertha Benz had proven it. The automobile wasn't just an invention. It was the future. Carl was stunned, inspired. And thanks to her daring drive, the Benz patent motor wagon became the first commercially sold car. Not because of its inventor, but because of the woman who believed in it enough to take it for a spin across the German countryside. She wasn't in the history books for decades. But Bertha Benz was the first road tripper, the first automotive repairwoman, the first person to show the world what a car could do. Strange? Certainly. But absolutely true. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the forgotten stories that changed the world.